Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cupkakeloving. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how much money I made selling on eBay in 1 month. If you're a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos related to eBay and selling and all that good stuff. And if you guys already a subscriber, thank you, welcome back. I have 2 eBay accounts because you guys know they have seller limits. I have so much stuff that I need to list, so I just got another eBay account, so this needs to be combined. So I made, right here I calculated everything. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's $962.57 on eBay. And if you guys watched my last video, I was struggling. I was just excited just for selling in general. But I know if I would have priced my items right, figure out my shipping right, I was using stamps.com, so I did get free postage, but I wasn't adding my materials too as well. I'm pretty sure I would have got $1,000. Since the last video that I posted, I made thank you letters, so just printed out. It said thank you for shopping on my eBay store. That has got me some pretty good feedback, which is good because my feedback is, it's good. I'm getting positive feedbacks. I only got 1 negative feedback in the last like 12 months, but recently it's been all good feedback, and I think that's kind of helped the customer, like, oh, let me get them feedback because it was good. I got a scale. I'm going to post a video on that, so if you guys want to see what scale that I'm using. I had 2 scales. The first scale didn't work. It was a food scale. I got it, I think, at Walmart for like $11, $9, $5 or something like that. And I got a lot of emails saying that I underpaid postage, so that's why I got a new scale from eBay, and it works very good, and I love it so much. And another thing, you guys, I noticed when I changed up my title and my description, I just got more sales. The more descriptive I am in my description, it was a lot easier for the buyer to know what they're getting. They were very pleased. Less questions they had to ask to me. And the title, I just made sure, like, I just put, say I'm selling like we'll say like a DVD. We'll say we're selling Halloween DVD with Michael Myers Halloween. So if it's new or if it's sealed, so I'll put like sealed or used, and then I'll put the year, and then I'll put Michael Myers, Jamie Lee Curtis, blah 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 blah, Halloween movie, until I can't have enough room to write the title. And figured out that actually works really good. So the big things that are selling on my 2 eBay stores, the first one is going to be anything brand name, of course. I sold a lot of Coach purses, I sold a Coach shoes, CDs, DVDs, like even those weird DVDs that you don't think people are gonna buy, they buy it, like literally. And all my stuff is on bids, and I do have buy now. And I know a lot of resellers or a lot of people who are selling on eBay, they just do the buy now. But for me, I just want the money really quick. So I do auctions, and most of the stuff is my stuff that I'm selling, or I'm getting it off of the thrift stores, or somebody's giving it to me because they don't want it. So pretty much the profit is pretty good. I just have to figure out like my price points on how I'm gonna sell them. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you guys like it, please like the video. If you guys have any comments, any helpful tips so I can help my store or anything like that, comment down below. And do you guys have an eBay store too? Or how's your guys' sales? How much money did you guys make in a month the first time selling on eBay? Just comment down below because I really want to know. And if you guys like this video, like I said, like the video, make sure you guys hit that notification button, and I'm gonna be doing a whole another eBay video. The next eBay video is gonna be on my scale, you guys. Really love it. It was a really good price. Came within like 2 days and everything like that. So thank you guys for watching again, and bye.